Hey, what's going on, guys? Watch Review here, back with another video today. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing my review over the G-Shock DW6900LU. Now before I get into it, I just want to mention I will have my complete guide out soon for this watch, so be sure to check out those videos. And also hit that bell notification to be notified when I release my new videos. Now let's get into it. Now G-Shock has been making the 6900 models for quite some time now, and not too much has changed mechanically, but what has changed is with the watch's aesthetics. And for this model, as you can see, basically all the markings have been toned down and it's kind of this gray color, and it looks cleaner, it looks a little bit slicker than what we've been seeing. So to me personally, it's kind of a refresher than the other G-Shocks that they have up in their lineup. Now for functions, nothing has changed. It still has its multifunction alarm, flash alert, countdown timer, and a stopwatch that measures in 1/100th of a second. It also has a mode that measures elapsed time and split time. The calendar is pre-programmed till the year 2099, so if you live past the year 2099, you might have to get your watch reprogrammed. Now for battery life, it lasts for about 2 years, assuming one uses the backlight for only 3.5 seconds and the alarm for 20 seconds a day. And the battery that this watch takes is called the CR2016. These batteries are quite easy to find and you can pick them up just about anywhere. For example, on Amazon you can get a 5-pack for around $5. Now the watch's accuracy is plus or minus 15 seconds a month, so for the duration of the life of the battery, you're looking at being off a minute or two within that time period. Now the 3 dials at the top record seconds and minutes, so the first 2 record the seconds and the last one records up to 1 minute. I think it's odd on how the dial is set up. I think they could have added something more than seconds and minutes, but that's just me. Now this watch has a backlight, and to activate the backlight you just press the button with the G on it, and as you guys can see it's quite bright, which I really like, and you'll have no problem telling the time in the dark. Now the temperature tolerance for this watch is between 32 degrees and 104 degrees. Now for example, if you were to leave it in your car in the summer or winter, it would most likely malfunction because of the extreme heat or extreme cold. And trust me, I have done this before. I have left my watch in the car and it has destroyed my watch, so be mindful not to leave it in your car. Now the band of the watch is made out of resin, and I'm not the biggest fan of having a resin watch, but the advantage of having a resin watch over a nylon one or a leather one is that it doesn't retain smells and it's much easier to clean. Now if you guys are interested in picking up one of these watches, I will put a link in the description down below to Amazon where you can find this watch for around $99. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. This has been Watch Review. Peace.